Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see the Bigdbiz bakery ERP software complete demo. So this is our contact number and this is our website. You can just contact us and request for the direct demo for your dedicated demo, and or else you can go to our website and see our details. So before starting the demo, we'll see the flow chart about the particular bakery ERP software and how it functions. So high level of the software. First starts from the module. So it comprises of three types of login. One is the store login, next is the production login, and others are the shop. So the store login, the major work is to procure the raw materials and store in the particular godown. So production unit, the main work is to purchase, all the purchased stock which is in the store will be requested by the production, and they will make the process and keep the finished goods. So in the shop, what they'll do is they request the finished goods and they will make the billings. So this is going to be the next flow. We'll see one by one. So the first one will be like, so the first one we are going to see about the store. As we told you, the store will be purchasing the raw materials and they'll make the storage, and they will keep the inventory management. So in case the shop or production center make the request, it will be received, and based on their request it will be transferred to their shop or production. For example, it can be maida, rava, sugar, all-purpose flour, or it can be a cool drinks can, or it can be a water can. So they will just request all the raw materials and the products from the store, and it will be sent to the shop or production based on their requirements. And let us see the next one is the production. So the major work of the production is to prepare the finished items. So for that they will just request a store. Once the store process the request, they will just transfer the stock, and this stock will be stored in the production as raw materials, and they will use the recipe settings. Based on the recipe settings, they will prepare the finished items. Now the production can, as per their management, they can just send all the prepared finished items to the shops. Otherwise, shops will be making the request. Based on the request, they will process it and they will send the items on their request or demand. So this is the second one. Now the third one is the shop. Now the shop will, as we told you, they will make a request and they will transfer the stock. Sometimes the one shop will request to another shop for if they have excess of item. So they not only request to the store, or store or production, it can be any shop also. So inter-transfer branch is also possible. Okay, the functionalities of the shop will be like to receive the orders. It can be cake orders or party orders. Those order details will be sent to the production for icing, or it can be, if it is a cake, then icing will be there, or if it is a party order, they have to prepare based on the orders. So that will be sent to the production. So shop, they also do the functionalities of billing. The billing can be either of KOT, like kitchen order token, based on the order from the that is the waiter. It is table management. Otherwise, it can be a POS billing, point of sales billing. Sometimes it can be from the digital menu. So the people who are sitting on the table will use the digital menu to request the item directly to the kitchen, so that it can be generated and it will be sent to the person who is sitting and making the order. So there are three types of billing we have shown here, and based on that, reports will be generated, day closing, session closing, everything will be happen. So this is all about a top view about the bakery ERP software. Now let us see how it works for the billing first. So this is the login screen where they can access for multiple branches or single branch based on the requirements. So I submitted to get entered. So now this is the login of a particular branch, and you have the option to see the dashboard of new delivery details and new bill details, orders, product addition, sales report details, and checkout. So check stock details. So these are all the shortcuts about this software. And you have the menu of master. So master is about UOM master, that it can be a kg, piece, liters, whatever you may just use in your branch or shop, it can be added. And tax details. Group master is nothing but the item group. So I will show you one by one. So as I told you, UOM is a unit of measurement, can be kg, numbers, box. And tax master can be added any number of values as you use in your shop. Group master will be like your it can be anything like fried chicken, burger, chicken wraps, pizza, side orders, happy, so anything, whatever categories you, kid meal, beverages, king's bucket, puffs, sweets. So you have the option to create the name, category code, a print name. So you might use anything in your shop, but the print name will be different. So at that time you can use this. And you have also the option to mention whether it can be going, it just need to go for the icing option or production. So you need to show in request or show in production or manual GRN. So you can just modify any kind of category based on that. So it can be a happy hours category or combo category. So it can be a special category also. And you can upload the image. So as I told you, we have the digital menu and online ordering option. At the time, these images can be used for online order receiving. Alright, so now let's go to the item master. So once we create a category, you can start adding the products. Like for example, burger is a category. In that one, there is an item called cheese beef burger. The print name will be cheese beef burger. And so you have the rate details and the tax details and image for that. So it's very simple to add a product. You have to select a category. You need to add the name, print name. It can be same as you need HSN code, MRP price, tax details. You need to display it online or not, and minimum order stock alert, and what type of food, veg or non-veg, barcode details, description, image. So all the fields are non-mandatory, so you can upload the very important fields alone. Okay, now next move on to the combo master. It's a very basic one, like combo. Nowadays all the restaurants and bakeries are using combos. You can create a combo item of selecting any type of item. You can select the tax. You can choose a category where it belongs to. Okay, and it can be starter. Okay, now you can add the item like seafood. Now just adding some kind of items with some tax. And you can add the quantity. One item for veg wrap will be cost of 100, and one item of it is like 90. So 190 is a combo. It can be a different item. Actual item rate is this. Sorry, it can be a different one. $2 for $4. It can be $4. When it comes for a combo, it comes under $10. Okay. So it can be anything. It can be rupees rate also. Based on your requirement, you can add combo items. You can specifically add the name of the combo, like veg wrap with seafood, can be a veg sea, something like that. You can create a combo product. All those combo items will be displayed here. Happy combo, summer cool. So what are the names you provide, you can do that. Now happy hours is there. Happy hours is nothing but you can select the category, happy hours category, and you can create from and to date till this particular happy hours exist, and you can choose the name of time, and from time and to time. It can be between morning 10 or something, 10 a.m. to can be 9 p.m. So we can create the happy hours between this. It can be a weekday, and this category comes like happy hour category, as we already created this in the group master, and those items alone which are coming under the happy hours will be listed out here. So you can create this kind of items that will be provided some kind of discount at that time, like particular hours, particular days, the discount will be available. Other times it will be an MRP cost. This is all about the particular master. You have branch setting master. So branch, this is the own branch about this. Branch to production. to which production it belongs to. So you might have multiple production centers and multiple branches. You'll be mapping a particular branch with the production. Otherwise you might have only one production. Other time you just select only one branch. Okay, this is all about the basic master settings. Now let's move on to the order details. So generally we receive in bakery, we receive the party orders or sometimes the cake orders. Those order details can be added in the order form. So when you open this particular order details, you can see the pending orders and delivered orders. These are the pending orders that need to be delivered. Okay, now you can click on delivered. That will show you the delivered items. Nothing has been delivered till yet. These are the pending orders, so it's asking you to make the delivery. Now we can start adding a delivery. So when you start ordering, it will ask for your book number. We can start adding a number and you can start making an order. Now the book number should be same, and you can make the order details about the customer. You can add the customer number. If he is an existing customer, it will be listed out. Otherwise you need to add the customer name. Okay, now I'm adding the customer name. If he is a new one, the delivery date will be of next week, something like that. You can choose the delivery time and you can choose a category. What kind of category they need, it can be done. So sweet, it can be any item. It can be party order or birthday order, anything. The image is being added. If you want to add another one, you can create it. Anything, so a combo can be added or any item can be added. Pizza can be added. Alright, so images can be added as per your requirement. Now once you completely added the product details, now you have to do the calculation part, like how we came from. So he's a direct customer or any online order. What kind of occasion is that? So farewell function, marriage. This will be stored as a record of the occasion, so that this system will make a reminder to you to wish the particular customer on the same date about the particular occasion. So you can remind them about the product they have ordered, the item they have ordered last year or previously, and you can make a reminder, make them to feel like you are always keeping care about them. So the function can be noted down. The pickup location, you can have multiple branches. Those multiple branch details can be selected to where they want to pick. So the order can be done from one place. They can choose the pickup location from any other place if we have multiple branches. So if they are going to make a full payment or advance payment, if they are making a partial payment, then you can choose advance. So you can see that they have to pay $35 or 35 rupees, as you know. Instead they are paying 20 as of now. So remaining balance 15 they have to pay at the time of delivery. So delivery charges, if you need, you can add it, and the order taken by, it can be anyone. Okay, if you need to provide additional discounts, so you have to select additional discount option and you have to enter the OTP details. So this OTP will be generated and sent to the manager. Once the manager gives the OTP, only this discount will be enabled. So that will help. It will be helpful for the owners or admin to find out unnecessary discounts. So discount can be provided as it is. They have to get the OTP from the manager or any other designation they belong to. They will receive and they will make the entry and the discount can be provided. So these all kind of settings can be changed based on your requirement. If you don't want this particular discount check, you can openly provide a discount. Okay, now I just save and print. I completed. Now let's see. So this is a model thermal print, invoice, billing. If you have a GST number, you can do provide book number, order number, date with time, name of the customer, items they have ordered for, what's the advance amount they paid, what's the balance they have to pay at the time of delivery, and any messages. So message is nothing but they want to write on the cake or any other item that they want to order on, when they want to make delivery, the date and time, and delivery place, as well as anything you need to provide as an additional notification or notes. You can do that. Payment history, they have already made a advance payment of on cash mode rupees 20. This is an example thermal print. You can make any changes based on the requirement of your branch. So once I close the print, what will happen, it again comes to this particular order details. It will show me the upcoming order from this person. It's ready or it's pending status. You can take a second printout, you can cancel it, you can edit, or you can make a payment, second payment. So if he is coming and making a second payment, or if he is closing the bill, you can do it as per your requirements. Today's delivery, any other delivery to be done today, that can be that will be loaded here. Today there is no delivery, so it's showing it blank. After that, now we can see the sales part. So as I told you, there are two types of sales. One is KOT sales, one is normal POS billing sales. Now let's see first of all the sales of normal POS billing. I click on add new bill. You have the multiple buttons of category. When you click on, it will show you the items that can be chosen from here to show you the current stock available and quantity. Now we can choose from which the particular order has been received. It is a direct order or online order or anything like that. What kind of payment mode they want to do, and what's the customer mobile number. I just use the same mobile number I used for order. Now it shows my name because I'm an existing customer. So who has taken the order, given by, and attended name, and the quantity details. Now it shows me some options here below. It shows me to reduce the item numbers or close it. Okay, now you have the option to print it. So it's very easy, just clicking on multiple buttons and make a print. It will just makes a printout and closes the bill. Otherwise, if you want to hold a bill, so if the customer is searching for any change, or he wants making some purchases, till then you need not keep this particular bill on the hold. For other customers, you can hold this bill and make a new bill for the upcoming customer. This bill will be on the hold. So you can start for another customer billing till he returns back. Okay, I just close it and you can take a printout. So this bill I'm just closing immediately. Now the customer makes a payment. You can see here it gives you a print preview. Now we can see a beautiful print coming here. I'll just zoom it and show you. So the item name with HSN code, details, quantity, everything with GST details, and all kind of GST details will be split up and shown. Any CAD details or something like that, whatever you need, you can display it here as per your requirement. So now I have completed one bill, but the previous bill is still in pending, right? That bill can be again upcome. When you just click it on, it shows the previous bill details. Now you can take a printout here. You can summarize the bill details. Summarize bill is nothing but you can see all the bill details, and tax view details will show you all the tax details. So you can see here CGST details, SGST details, all the above details of the particular bill. You can see the complete details about this. So the tax details, total of, now you can take a printout. If you need, you can print. Otherwise you can again close this one, you can make a new bill. So this is all about normal sales KO, that is POS billing. You can either use a button or touch screen. Otherwise you can use even a keyboard, just you can type the numbers B002. It will just filter one some kind of category 3. Now C. So C category alone will just come on. So based on your requirement, if you want to have only chicken items, you can select chicken. So you can choose chicken wrap. You can add it some kind of quantity. You can do enter. Automatically it will show you some items. Again, it gives you a good printout about this particular item. Now let's move on to the next thing. So we saw about the normal print, the normal bill, and we can see the KOT. Already you have used the table management, so the tables will be like 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, or it can be split up based on your requirement. You can create the tables, you can modify the tables using setting options there. So for example, these green tables will be showing you that these are being occupied. These are the non-occupied. If you want to see the order details about the particular table, kitchen orders option is there. This will be displayed in the kitchen. You can display this in the kitchen. Now you can see that this particular item has been ordered from the bill number, KOT bill number. It can be done. Can you see this? We can see how it is done. I choose 1A table and the same item will be displayed. You can choose any category. I choose it and give print KOT. Now it shows me that 1A total items. These are total items. Okay, now it's order. You can order it, and you can see that what is being shown in the kitchen also. So you can see here this has been shown in the kitchen. Complete details are there. So if you want to close this particular table, table 1A of KOT 40, you can make settlement. Settlement will be done. So this bill will be cleared. Automatically a printer will be generated. This is all about table wise. So the waiter will be getting an app to make the orders. This is done from the desktop. App is also available using the tab or mobile. Orders can be taken. If you need a sales stock return, so you want to return it to the particular store or any production center. If you have any damaged item while transporting the particular cake, they have made some damage or fungus or anything, it can be a reason. So you have multiple reasons for returning the stock to production or the store. So you can choose any other reason and you can make a return. Okay, the stock will be reduced. Okay, now payment entry. All the basic expenses that is incurred in a particular branch can be added here. And you can see here all the types of expenses that can be incurred will be listed out here. You can choose anything, the date, description and amount. Automatically that will be reflected in the day-to-day expenses on the report side. So bill settlement is nothing but if a customer is telling that after making the bill, no, I just want to make a cash bill, or no, I want to make a card bill. If you want to change the type of payment mode, for example, you can see here 55 is a cash bill. Now if I want to make changes on 55, instead of cash I want to make a card bill. I click on card and make a process bill. Now 55 is changed to card bill. Same way you can make any changes like card to cash or cash to card. So automatically everything will be closed on the particular day, so that you can find out how much is cash in hand available, how much is in the account, and how much has been got expenditure has been incurred for a particular day. Everything you can see in the report itself on day closing. Similar like order settlement, as you make changes on payment mode for bills, orders also, that is you have received and some advance amount or full payments, right? That payment can be changed. Payment mode can be changed. Cash to card or card to cash, vice versa. Now you can see that stock entry. This is an important thing. This is nothing but what are the stocks is available in a particular shop that can be received from the particular production generally. Sometimes we might also request from other branches also. They might have some excess, so they can just forward that particular item to this. For that you can request it, so you can receive it. So you request to a particular branch, you receive from a particular branch, that you notify that I have received such kind of items from you. Sometimes it can be a damaged item. I just tell you that instead for 10 items I got 9 items. You can mention anything, whatever you have received it. Okay, now you can request this particular item to the store also, as I showed you in the PPT. Like you can request water bottles or any other items like cool drinks, anything that can be stored in the particular godown, that can be requested to the store. Okay, now daily stock request. Daily stock request will be requested for finishing items like cake or food items that can be requested to the production unit. So first I will just show you here. I click new request. I select in category. I need burger today. I need 50 or whatever 15 units of burger. Smoky burger of 20, because there is some demand to my store of this particular item. I choose it based on my requirement. So I requested 3 items from the same category. I add to a queue now. Okay, I'll select another item, like it can be milkshake, and nothing is there to be added. Okay, pizza. Now I request 10 pizzas, 5 seafood pizza. Now I just add to the queue. Automatically it get appended. If you want to increase the number or reduce it, something like that, you can do that. Now I just send the request. Now I have to mention which employee. You can do that. You can search the items if it is long queue. That is not required. If it's, you can leave it. Now I requested 5 items to my production unit. I request to the production, because I have only one production, it shows me all. You can select the production unit if you have multiple, and I send it to the I send request. Now this request from the particular branch, that is a big production, will be receiving this particular request sent from Raja. You can see what are the items you have sent, at what the time it has been sent, number. If you want to take a printout, you can do it. Now the particular production login will have received this notification. Okay, now if you receive the request, you can see the DC number. Nothing has been processed, so it's showing nothing. Once the production unit receives a particular order, they will make a DC, and you will receive the DC number. They send you the items. So if you receive the same items, you can mention it. Otherwise, if you receive lesser than what you requested, you can mention it, or they can return the particular item as a damaged one. So you have the option to return it also. So this is GRN master, plus or minus whatever you need, you can make changes. So this is next. We can go on to the reports part. So now is nothing but session closing report, invoice generated denomination report. Session closing report is nothing but the particular session type, like you are closing the office, closing the cash, or closing a particular session alone, closing for petty cash, opening cash, whatever it may be. You can mention denomination and you can close it. And you can invoice generate. So what kind of invoices you generally generate can be mentioned here. It's super admin part. Then you can provide a denomination report. So overall denomination table available, cash to office, closing for petty cash, you can mention the amount details. What are the card amount, what are the Paytm amount, it will be segmentized, it will be shown here. It will be automatically calculated, no need to worry about that. Now let's go on to the order form, totally or number of orders we received and other details. Okay, now sales report. Okay, let's see order details, like order form cancelled, how many orders has been cancelled, that can be seen here, and today's orders alone can be seen here. I'll just click and show you only today's report. The from date can generate, you can see here I will receive only one order, you can see here for any date. Okay, order form report, you can see from and to date. So for between dates, like I want to see for this particular month which has been generated, you can see here. Now let's go on to the sales report, customer sales report. Customer sales report shows you each and every bill details. What are the item for each and every bill will be clearly shown, and what type of sales type it is, what is the amount, discount amount, everything completely it will be shown. You want to see a summarized report or detailed report based on your requirement, you can see it. And you can see the employee wise report. If you have multiple employees, you can see for which employee how much has been sales happened. You can download it in an Excel sheet or as a print format. Now it comes to the sales type report. Type of sales is nothing but, you can see here, no payment mode, not paid, direct sales, the item details, commission percentage, everything in a clear view to be shown here. Next comes the normal sales, cancelled report. Any cancelled of sales can be seen. Margin. So margin is nothing but if you have franchise. If for franchise you will be providing 25% of margin. At the time you can see commissions also is there. The deductions part, everything can be calculated here. And day end report is also available. On sales you can see day end report. It shows you the reading report. A complete report of today. A complete report of today will be seen here. A consolidated report. You can see here consolidated report is there, and category report. Okay. And you can see stock details also. Available stock. These are current stock which is available in your hand. and GRN report. You can see at what time each sale had happened, what stock has been reduced at what time, everything, a clear picture about your GRN will be shown here. You can find out anything is getting theft or missing, you can find here in the report itself. This is a PM report. Okay, next comes the stock return details, daily stock return request details received, and other reports, customer report, group report, send messages. So as I told you, you can send messages to the customers who have been ordered previously or any greetings, something like that. Last comes the stock day close. This is nothing but day closing time. If it is day closing time, you can close a day and you can start for another session also. So this is all about closing day report. So now we saw all the billing details about a particular branch. So if you want to have a demo about this particular software of only billing alone or with production, so we'll have a video of production also in next upcoming a video. You can see that the description details can be provided in the description itself, otherwise it can be redirected automatically as the next video. So you can see that details in the particular one. If you want to have a demo about this software, you can see the number has been displayed here. You can contact us, or you can go to the website also. You can just browse it and you can find out the software details. Thank you for watching this video.